This week we are having a JB Marks induction workshop with our new beneficiaries. There's about 200 of them that are attending. All our beneficiaries are dependents or members of the National Union of Mineworkers. Some of them are spouses of the NUM members, and they come from all over South Africa. Some of them come from Swaziland, Lesotho, Botswana and Mozambique. It's just based on regions of the National Union of Mineworkers.
For the first year university students, we focus very strongly on self-empowerment and the ability to manage themselves and take accountability for themselves as they pursue their goals. With the second years, we keep the theme of self-empowerment, but we also look at teamness, and that's the ability to be a strong individual within the context of teams and a community. And then with the third and final year students, we've looked more at preparing for the world of work, workplace readiness and establishing a brand so that your levels of credibility and marketability can be enhanced.
We're going to talk about drugs, the usual alcohol, the usual other substances that people take nowadays, and the funny stuff that we are now doing because we wanna, you wanna fit in.
Induction workshop is very, very important because a lot of our students are first year university students, fresh out of high school. So it's all about self-development. It's all about teaching them how to be confident in themselves and developing them to be better human beings. It's about transitioning, helping them transition into university because it's their first time out of home.
I learned that abuse was not really, it's not really only being physical, it can also be emotional. So it's one of the stages that I would like to thank the alumni, students to have made us aware of, and I feel like they've now raised my awareness towards women abuse, and I feel like they have, instilled something that's very, of a good personality inside me.
The bursary of JB Marks covers tuition, registration, accommodation, books, basically everything up until you graduate. We pay for that for undergraduate studies, and you can start at first year, second or third year, and we also have postgraduate studies for about 50 students. So every year we basically take about 250 people.
I'm a wife. I've got 3 kids. It was challenging indeed, but because of passion, I love it. I love teaching so much, so I work hard, sleepless nights. That's how I got 40 distinction. My husband, is so excited. He was so supportive all through the years. He was so supportive. He's a darling, he's a born-again Christian. I'm so blessed to have him in my life. No, a husband like that one. So, this opportunity, he went to the loan, then he paid for my registration. Later on, he was talking with his colleagues. They said, "Oh, why Oara? JB Marks." Then he was so excited coming home. Said, "Oh, Bazari. Look, now I had to pay so the loan double money or triple." So we applied. I write small motivational letter. Thanks God to that person who picked it up, my application. Then you send me an email that I was successful.
Getting something from other people, you can learn to give back and make the society better, and that students don't have to worry about where funding comes from, because there are people that actually care about your finances and actually your education.
I also learned a lot about the history of NUM, and that way I'll always appreciate it, and also appreciate the things that people did in order for us to have this bursary.
It's going to help with a lot because I've been living at home and I've been traveling to school, so it should be a good day. Now I can find a place that's near campus, and I won't have to worry about my fees.
With challenge there's a lesson, and with lesson there's growth. So it helps me grow intellectually, even the way I think.
It's gonna bring an impact in my life, and a positive impact indeed.
I think we just have to work hard, appreciate what JB Marks is doing for us, and be thankful and try hard not to disappoint them.
Be focused more than ever. This is our time. This is the only time for us. We are the You're the kids of the future. We're the leaders of this country.
Going to varsity is the most recognized thing in the community. People look up to you and they say, oh, you are now taking another step to achieving your goals, to be somebody in the community. So I'll say to students, know who you are, know where you come from, and what do you want to achieve. So all of this is all about you, and never consider what other people are saying about the career choices that you have.